Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm John. Thanks for tuning in. And today I'm going to introduce a new segment to my channel, which I think I'm going to call What's on the Bench. So the basis of this new segment is to sit down late at night, usually on my Friday or my Saturday night. Everybody else is sleeping inside. The kids are all tucked away. Grab myself a nice beer, come out to my shop, sit down and discuss what it is that I have on my bench. And this is going to be fun for me because oftentimes in videos I don't really get to discuss the parts just by themselves. It's always a huge compilation of discussing the parts, installation and review, and sometimes that makes the videos just entirely too long. So that's been a little bit of a goal of mine recently. After sitting down and editing all my videos, I realized that some of them are just too long. So this segment, I hope, will capture a specific focus on one part or one thing or product or piece of gear or anything that I'm currently planning to do to the bikes, or something that I got for the bikes or for myself, and I really want to go over that product in detail, but in a casual, quick, informative way. So on the bench here today with me is a product from a company called Choogbox. Choogbox is a company that I believe is run by an enthusiast. His name is Joe, and he created a pretty cool product. He reached out to me and he asked me if I wanted to try this product on my monkey bike. I've had these, he delivered them to me almost immediately, and I've had so much on my plate that I just have not been able to get to working on the bike at all. So it's been pretty steadily busy for me since July, since we got back from our vacation, where all that beautiful monkey off-roading content is coming from. So let's get back on track. Choogbox has what we call quick release seat holders. I don't know. Quick release seat. I don't know why I neglect technology when it's right here at my fingertips. So can you see that? Probably not. The camera's not going to focus on it, but Choogbox has a website, and on that website we can find their products. They are called Honda Monkey 125 Quick Release Seat Latch, and you can get them without the knobs or with the knobs. On the bench today we have the with the knobs version. So the price for these is $80, and they are beautifully machined. We deal with a lot of machine parts with 5X Racing. We have a lot of stuff made for us. It's machined, CNC crafted, all here in the USA. And I know a good machine part when I see it. And you can tell when you get it in your hand, it's a heavy part. It's got some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. And as you can see, the first thing you're going to see is this chrome door pull knob here. And that's the part that's interchangeable. So you can figure out your own solution for this if you'd like. Or you can get them with these. Also, you're going to see this here, this bolt on top. This is what you remove, and this is where you drill the hole in your monkey frame. And then this bolt will go through and hold this assembly in the frame. And you see they work basically by spring pressure here. So this part is going to be held stationary on the frame. And then you're going to pull this, and it's going to pull this pin back and release your seat while you pull up. Very clever. So I like this part, and I think I might experiment. We'll see how the chrome looks on the bike. I think it'll fit the motif of the bike. However, when you have some parts on your bike that maybe you're going for a black theme or a matte theme with wheels and just a blacked out sort of thing, you can probably switch these door pulls out to a blacked out version and make them a little bit more discreet. So if we look at their website again, you can get these latches without the knobs. You can provide your own knobs. So it said, just be sure the knobs you use have an 8/32 thread. So I think that's like the standard door pull knobs that you get anywhere, like at Home Depot or Lowe's or something. So the first thing I thought of is, like, I've seen some pretty good, pretty clever, you know, door handle knobs, like for closets and stuff, for like your man cave or whatever. So I'm starting to think, the wheels are turning, like, what can I put on this bike that's unique and might look cool? I don't know. So if it's an 8/32 thread, you can put it on here though. So yeah, it's a pretty nice part. We're gonna install these hopefully soon, and then we'll do an install video on them as well. You can see that process in that video. But for tonight, we're just gonna highlight these like we've been doing, and talk about the product.